Hello students, this question is taken from test series 1 from the subject power system from the topic transmission and distribution, and it is of first part of linked data question number 52 and 53. A three-phase completely transport 345 kilowatt 200 kilometer line to ACSR conductors per bundle. Which is nothing but three-phase supply completely transposed 345 kilowatt, which is the rated voltage V is 345 kilowatt, and 200 kilometer transmission line, which is nothing but length of the transmission line is 200 kilometer, and it is having positive sequence line constants, which is Z is equal to 0.032 plus J 0.35 ohm per kilometer, which is nothing but impedance is given Z is equal to 0.032 plus J 0.35 ohm per kilometer, and the admittance Y is given as J 4.2 into 10 power minus 6 ohm per kilometer, which is nothing but Siemens per kilometer, which is nothing but admittance Y is given as J 4.2 into 10 power minus 6 mho per kilometer or Siemens per kilometer, and given full load receiving end of line is 700 megawatt, which is nothing but power receiving end is 700 megawatts at 0.99 power factor leading, which is nothing but given power is 700 megawatt and power factor 0.99 leading, and at 95% of rated voltage. Given rated voltage of 345 kilowatt, in that 95% of the rated voltage, and we have to assume medium length transmission line. We have to find the value of A and C, which is nothing but ABCD parameters. We have to find the value of A and C in the first part of the linked data question. First, given line is the three-phase completely transposed. Transport nothing but the given impedance, the Z is equal to ZL. This is the condition when lines are transposed. Z is equal to ZL and Y is equal to YL, where Z is equal to this one, L is 200 kilometers, and Y is equal to this one, and L is 200 kilometers. After calculating this, we will get the value of this one, and we have to find the value of A and C. In ABCD parameters, the value of A is equal to D is equal to 1 plus YZ by 2, and B is equal to Z impedance. C is equal to Y into 1 plus YZ by 4. This is the values of ABCD parameters. We have to assume in the medium transmission line. The medium transmission line, these are the values of A and D and B and C. We have to calculate the values of A and C. First, we will calculate the value of A. A is equal to 1 plus Y, which is nothing but admittance. Y is equal to 8.4 into 10 power minus 4, 90 degrees. This one, and Z is 70.29 at the right angle 84.79 by 2. After calculating this value, we will get the value of ABCD parameter A and C. Then we will find the value of C. C is equal to Y of 1 plus YZ by 4, which is nothing but the value of Y is 8.4 into 10 power minus 4 at the right angle 90 degrees plus 1 plus Y is nothing but this one, and Z is this one. After calculating this complete value, we will get the value of 8.277 into 10 power minus 4 angle 90.08. So the value of A is 0.9706 angle 0.159, and C is 8.277 into 10 power minus 4 at the right angle 90.08. So option B is nothing but option B. In this session, we have studied about first what is the condition when lines are transposed. The condition of lines of transport which is nothing but impedance Z is ZL and Y admittance is YL. And what are the values of ABCD parameters in transmission medium transmission line? Thank you.